Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you fine, ma? Okay, in the previous session we completed up to exercise 6 and already I sent you the notes also. Write your notes is very neat handwriting, with neat handwriting. Okay, children, very carefully write. Take the assistance of your parents and then complete that one. Okay? Now, exercise 7. See the first one in exercise 7, children. In 6548, in 6548, the digit 6 stands for, at what place that 6, see this number, 6548, in that number, at what place that value of 6. Now write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is the place value of 6, Amma? 6,000. What is the place value of 6? 6,000. Next one. 8 into blank equal to 48. Children, if you observe, if you multiply a number with 8, you will get 40. That means, in the 8th table, when it comes 48. In the 8th table, when it comes 48. Think like that. So, you have to divide 48 with 8. In 8th table, when it comes 48, 8 6 are 48. So, what is left? 6. Third one. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equal to blank into 7. Children, like the sums you learned in second class also, but here once we will revise it. See how many 7s was given in this question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 7s was given. So write 4 in the first box. And what number we repeated 4 times? What number we repeated 4 times, children? What number we repeated for 4 times? 7. So 4 into 7. They not ask us what is the answer, what is the result. Just they ask like this. Okay? Don't get confusion. How many times we repeat the 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. First write that 4 as here. And what number we repeated? Write that number in the second column. Okay? See the third one, children. Third one completed, the fourth one. 389 plus something, we don't know that number. They got 400. See the question once I'll explain you. If you add a number to 389, one number they don't know, they didn't give us a number. We have to find this number. If we add 300 that number to 389, you will get 400. This is the question. So how you will solve? By subtracting 389 from 400. So what is the figure of those two? Always the subtraction should be to greater number minus smaller number. That means always the smaller number should be subtracted from the greater number. Always we should write the greater number up and smaller number down. So 389. See this subtraction, 0 minus 9. Is it possible, ma'am? No. So borrow. How you will borrow? Before number also 0. So let it be. If it is 10, the before number becomes 9. So you have to borrow from this number. So now 0 plus 10, before number becomes 9 and the before number becomes 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. So answer is 11. Next one. Fifth one. 1965 minus a number equal to 1769. 1769. That means if you subtract a number from 1965, you will get 1769. So how you will solve it, Amma? First we have to subtract, but what number you have to write first? Always the subtraction bigger number should be written first. 1965 minus 1769. Okay. Now see the first digit which is at ones place. 5 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So power becomes 15. The before number becomes 5. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. What? 15 minus 9 amount? 6. Next. This number 5 minus 6. Is it possible? No. Again take borrow from before number. Now the number becomes 9 minus 1, 8. And this number becomes 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 8 minus 7, 1. So what left? 196. That means if we subtract 196 from 1965, you will get 1769. Sixth one, rewrite in descending order. Rewriting descending order. How we will rewrite this in descending order? See the numbers 8549, 8459, 8594, 8495. Now we have to write them in descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. From greatest number to smallest number. How we will arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest? First we should check through that numbers. What are those? All the numbers. I will read out you once again. 8549, 8459, 8594, 8495. So first you have to write all starts with 85, 8000 only. Go to the next digit which is at hundreds place. 8500s, 8400s, 8500s, 8400. So first think about 8400s. Yes, na? Here see the next is 845, 849. So this is the okay. Now we are writing descending order, mistaken ones. First we should choose which starts with 8500s. Yes, na? 8500 after 8550, 854 here, 859. 91 is bigger one. Next 54 one. Next, go through the next two digits which starts with 8000. 8400s, here 8400, both are same. 845, 849. So 49 comes first and then 45. Now after giving the numbering, first you have to write them in order of descending order. How you will write them? Basing on the order given, you have to place that numbers in descending order. Okay children? See that first one, 8594, 8549, next 8495, next last one 8459. Like that you have to arrange them in order. How they arrange, once again I repeat you. How we can arrange the numbers in order of descending order. How we can arrange? First we have to see the numbers first. All are having 4 digits only. Next thing, all started with 8000 only. Go to the second digit in that. 8500s, 8400s, 8500s, 8400. So what comes first? 8500s one only comes first. So 8554, 8500, 8000. If you check 3 digits, 854, 859. 91 means the bigger one. Next 854. Next go through, leave those two numbers and go through these two which starts with 8400s. Here 845 and 849. 49 is the bigger now, give 3 and then last number 8459. Seventh one. Tick the odd figure out. Tick the odd figure out. Tick the odd figure out. Odd figure means which is not as suitable for the given series. Rectangle, square, triangle, circle and a square, or we call it as a parallelogram. The next class is to learn. If you observe these figures, which is odd one out, Amma? If you observe, these are all having flat surfaces, plain surfaces and flat surfaces. All are having straight edges. All are having straight edges, flat surface. But this one, curved surface, not straight edge. This one is the odd one out. So this figure is the odd figure. Okay, children. Next one. Eighth one. Insert. Insert means place. Insert means place. Insert the correct sign. Insert the correct sign. What are those signs given for us, ma? Greater than, less than, or equal to. These signs you have to insert in the question. What that question? 4000 plus 1200 plus 90. Here, which symbol you have to place to add symbol? 5000 plus 200 plus 9. Children, if you observe this, you can write it easily like expanded notation it is, but for the simple confusion they given 1200s. So it's better to add. Now add this side. 4000s, 1200s, 90. Right. By adding right 0. 0 plus 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 4 plus 1, 5. This side. 5000s, 200s, 90. 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 2, 2, 5. 5290, 5290. Both are equal. Both are equal. How we can say? By adding those numbers. By adding those numbers, we can say both are equal. Ninth one. Ten into 3 plus 70 equal to how many hundreds? 10 into 3 plus 70 equal to how many hundreds? What is 10 3s, Amma? 10 3s 30. 10 3s 30. What the symbol they given for us? Plus. So you have to add it. 30 plus 70. How much? 0. 7 plus 3? 10. So 100. So how many hundreds are there in this question? 100. Again I will repeat you, children. See this, what is the question given? 10 into 3 plus 70. 10 into 3 plus 70. What is 10 3s, Amma? 10 3s are 30. So this 30 and 70 I added. How much it is? 100. How many hundreds are there? They are asking. So 100. 10th one. How many fives? How many fives are there in 60? How many fives are there in 60? That means how many fives we can take from 60. So 60 divided with 5. We have to divide 60 with 5. For example, they ask how many tens are there in 60? We will say 6 tens 60. That means so if we divide 10 with 60, we will say it is 6. So how you will divide it to 5? 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Now drop down the next digit, second digit 0. Now what it is? 10. Now the number becomes 10. 5 2s are 10. So no remainder left. So how many 5s we can get from 60? 12. How many 5s we can get from 60? 12. What we have to do, we have to divide with the 5 with the 60. 5 ones, 5 remainder 6 minus 5, 1. So next drop down the second digit, 10, 0. Now it becomes 10. 5 2s, 10. No remainder left. Okay children. Our time period also completed. Okay children. Goodbye. Have a good day.